Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix cannot copy or edit text options in PDF. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to download this Adobe Acrobat Reader app in your device. Once it's done, then you just need to come over here and search for the app like Adobe and then open that one. Once you open it, now you just need to click on to the create, or you can open a new, like let's go to the home first of all. So I will click on to the OK. Then here you just need to click on this one, and from that one you just need to open a new file. Just click this one and select your options. So let's say I will click to the download, and from that one I'll select my this PDF, and here actually you can see we just want to change this text. So I'll click this one, and then you just need to click on this edit as PDF, and now you can edit that one. Like I'm going to add new text again. Let's try to do it. Just click this one, you can see already been added and text. So here we have these options. Just simply now you can add couple of texts here. So the process is really simple. With the Acrobat you can easily edit any text, or you can add text also here. So here we have couple of options here. As you can see, we can add comment, we can do highlight, we can do underline, we can make statue, then we can replace selected text, like we are allowed to replace it with anything. So here we have couple of options, as you know here. So this Adobe Acrobat is really helpful. So here if you want to edit image or text in PDF, you just need to download the premium one. Like you just need to purchase the premium plan. So if you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.